Okay, so this little video is about setting an assignment within Google Classroom. I have chosen the class that I want to set the assignment for. I click on Classwork and I click on Create Assignment. Now I can give the assignment a title and I can call it whatever I want, but it's good practice to put in the unit number and the assignment number. This also will make sense when you have marked the work and you go into Google Classroom and you click on the marking section and it will tell you the marks for that assignment. It also makes more sense for the students if they know what unit it is. I can then put instructions in here, so I'm going to say please read the reference material and complete your assignment. I need an R in your, there we go. So now what I've done is I've titled it, I've given some instructions, now I need some documents to put in it, so some template documents to put in it. I click Add, Google Drive, and then I will go to Shared Drive because that's where the documents are stored. So Shared Drives, Mechanical Engineering Team Drive, Assignment folder, now what we have here are pre-created templates that have all the criteria on. They have all the BTEC marking criteria. They also have the IV sheets built into them. So if I double click on there, now that is the document that the students will be working in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say make a copy for each student. By doing this, it gives each student a copy of this document and it puts the student name in the file name, which means it's a lot easier to find later in the day. I'm going to also add a reference document, so I'm going to go Google Drive. Again, I'm going to go to Shared Drives and I will find a Google slideshow as an example. Now this, I don't want the students to edit, but I do want the students to access, so students can view the file. I'm going to leave it so that the students can view the file. I'm then going to say a little bit of housekeeping, so I'm going to say what topic I'm assigning it to, and I'm going to say when do I want this assignment handing in. So I click on a due date and I give a due date of Friday or whenever you want. I'm also going to select a time. You can select whatever time you want, but please make sure that the students know. This function will tie in with the students' Google Classroom calendar, but not all the students use it, so just please make them aware of it. Now I have the option now of sending this assignment to multiple groups. So I can send this one assignment to several groups and they would all get the same assignment. I can also, so if I deselect those, get rid of those two, I can also select which students from this group get this assignment. So if I had a differentiated piece of work and I only wanted a few students to receive the work, if I click on students, I untick all students and then I tick on those three. Those three students would get the assignment, but nobody else would. So this allows you to send out differentiated assignments really easily. I will select all of them again. I can now click Assign. So that would send out that assignment for all those students all at once, and it would send it out right now. Or if I click on the down arrow, I can schedule it for some time in the future. This is really useful if you send it out tomorrow morning or Monday morning of 3 weeks in the future. You can set the date when you want to send it out, or I can save it as a draft if I've not quite finished. So I would click Assign there.